So to install iRobot app, here is the app, here is the name, iRobot Home. You need to go to App Store, search for this app, tap Get, but bear in mind that it's quite large app. It has 313 megabytes. And then you can just connect it with your cleaning device. You can create custom routines, seasonal suggestions, integrations. You can create ability to clean specific objects. You have like personalized control here. You can schedule recurring jobs. And all of that. So that's the app, and then if you just open it, I don't want notifications right now. You can just select your country. Accept terms and conditions, and then you can just create an account. So that's how it works.